Add some oil to a hot pan over medium heat, and let's get started. Now toss in the chopped onions. Next, add the sliced garlic and stir everything until the onions turn translucent. Once the onions are soft, add in the bell pepper and give it a mix. Now add the canned tomato sauce. Next, add the chopped tomatoes, then a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a splash of soy sauce, a pinch of salt, some black pepper, and just a little paprika for flavor. Mix everything up and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Now it's time for the beans. I'm using 2 cans of white beans in salted water. I rinsed and drained them first. And to make it even better, I'm adding 2 cans of red beans too. Just fold everything together so the beans and sauce mix nicely. Pour in some chicken broth to bring more flavor. Cover the pot and let it simmer at low heat for about 15 minutes. From time to time, lift the lid, give the beans a stir, and cover it back again. Turn off the heat first, then finish with a couple cups of fresh spinach. It wilts down in seconds and makes the dish healthier. That's all it takes. Dinner is done. A simple and tasty bean meal. Homemade, delicious, and budget-friendly. I hope you enjoyed this delicious cheat meal today. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family, and let me know what you think in the comments.